Want to install Odysseus on Windows without using Docker? In this video, I'll show you the manual installation method step by step. This approach is ideal for users who prefer installing everything directly on Windows instead of running the application inside a Docker container. Before getting started, it's helpful to know that Odysseus can usually be installed in two different ways. One method uses Docker, while the other relies on a manual setup using Windows PowerShell. Today, we're focusing entirely on the manual installation process. The first thing you should do is make sure your computer meets the basic requirements. You'll need Python version 3.10 or newer, because the application depends on Python to run correctly. If you're using an older version, some commands may fail or the installation may not complete successfully. You'll also need Git installed on your computer since it's commonly used to download and manage the project files during setup. Once Python and Git are ready, open Windows PowerShell. Next, copy the installation command provided by the project and paste it directly into the PowerShell window. Be careful not to modify the command unless the official instructions specifically tell you to do so. Even a small mistake, missing character, or incomplete command can cause the installation to fail. After pressing Enter, allow PowerShell to complete the installation process. Depending on your internet connection and system performance, this may take a few minutes. If you run into any errors, first confirm that Python 3.10 or newer is installed, Git is working correctly, and the installation command was copied exactly as provided. In most cases, checking these three things resolves the most common problems. That's it. You now know how to install Odysseus on Windows manually without Docker. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit HM Advisor for more AI tutorials, Windows guides, and practical tech tips.